If 2,500 naira amounted to 3,500 naira in 4 years at simple interest, find the rate at which the interest was charged.
This question number 7 is a simple interest problem. And there are two relevant formulae for us to use. The first one is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Amount is represented by A, principal by P, and I is representing simple interest. The second formula is the formula for finding I, which is principal times time times rate over 100. And of course, if we move to the right hand side here, we find the values that are given in the question as follows. Amount A is given as 3,500 naira. The principal P is 2,500 naira. And time T is 4 years. Now, the simple interest is very important in this our calculation, so we may use these other values that are given to us to obtain it. And this will help us to get the required rate as the question is asking us. Now, we go back to the formula and we just substitute all these given values into each of them. A is equal to P plus I. That is 3,500 is equal to 2,500 plus I. Now, transferring this 2,500 to the left side of the equality sign in order to isolate this I here, we have 3,500 minus 2,500 is equal to I. Remember, anytime a value is crossing the equality sign from one side to another, certainly the sign of that figure is going to change to the opposite. So that is why we have this negative 2,500 here. So 3,500 minus 2,500 gives us 1,000. So 1,000 naira is our calculated simple interest. So we now go over to the second formula that relates I, P, T, and R. And we write, of course, I is equal to P, T, R over 100. And we have I, having obtained that to be 1,000, we write it to substitute I. Then P as given is 2,500. Then the time T is given as 4. And of course, we have the required R. Everything here over 100. And of course, the zeros cancel out here. And we have the next line giving us as 1,000 is equal to this 25 multiplying this 4 and this R give us 100 R. That is 25 times 4 times R will give 100 R. And of course, dividing both sides here by 100 in order to isolate R gives us these zeros cancelling themselves out, and we have 10 is equal to half. Therefore, our final answer to this question is that R, the rate of the transaction, is 10%. And that, of course, is the final answer to the question.